Balancing the flavors, a key to delicious dishes. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of culinary arts with a focus on a very important concept: balancing the flavors. Whether you're a budding chef, a home cook, or just someone interested in the nuances of English related to cooking, understanding this phrase can elevate your cooking game. So, let's get started and explore what it means to balance the flavors in a dish. Balancing the flavors refers to the process of adjusting the different taste elements in a dish to ensure that no single flavor overpowers the others. It's about achieving a harmonious taste where sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, and umami come together in perfect harmony. This concept is crucial in cooking and baking, as it can transform a good dish into a great one. Before we delve deeper, it's important to understand the 5 basic tastes that we aim to balance. 1. Sweetness, often added through sugar, fruits, or certain vegetables. 2. Sourness, brought by acids like vinegar or lemon juice. 3. Saltiness, comes from salt, which enhances flavors. 4. Bitterness, found in dark chocolate, coffee, or certain greens. 5. Umami, a savory taste, often added through meats, cheese, soy sauce, or mushrooms. Here are some practical tips to achieve a balanced dish. Taste as you go. Continuously tasting your dish allows you to adjust the flavors accordingly. Start small. When adjusting flavors, add small amounts of seasoning or ingredients and build up as needed. Understand flavor profiles. Different cuisines have unique flavor profiles. Understanding these can help you balance flavors more effectively. Use acids and sweets. If your dish is too salty, adding a bit of acid, like lemon juice, or sweetness can help counterbalance the saltiness. Consider texture and aroma. Besides taste, texture and aroma also play a role in how we perceive flavors, so consider these elements in your dish. Let's look at some examples where balance is key. Tomato sauce. The acidity of the tomatoes is balanced with a pinch of sugar and salt. Thai curry. The heat from the spices is balanced with coconut milk's sweetness and lime juice's sourness. Salad dressing. A classic vinaigrette balances oil's richness with vinegar's acidity, often with a touch of honey or mustard for complexity. Balancing the flavors in your dishes can elevate your cooking and create more enjoyable eating experiences. Remember, cooking is as much art as it is science, and finding the right balance is a personal journey. We hope this video has shed some light on how to balance flavors effectively. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.